Okay, so you remember how in the last video I said I was gonna show you what I had to deal with and the up-to-date on the car kinda, and try and fix it a little bit. So I will show you what I was, on. I got it started, got the belt on, and it's up on ramps right now. So picture what I show you I was doing in the dirt on flat ground, and this is a low, old sports car. Back in the day it was technically a sports car, I guess. A coupe, so it was unbelievably low, unbelievably tight. I will show you what I was dealing with, but now it's a little bit easier because it's on ramps. I don't think changing the belt would have been easier on ramps because it's kind of in my way. I could, get my head up in there more. You'll see. But I don't know where the starter is, and nowhere online says where the starter is at. So we're gonna go outside and try to find it, maybe take a few pieces. Unfortunately, I don't have anybody here to help me click the key so I can be underneath listening. So the best I can do is put you guys underneath there and listen, and maybe point the camera up and see if the camera can see anything. I doubt it. Let's get outside. Let's see if we can find the starter. Okay. So this is the belt right here. It's gonna be kind of hard to see down there, but you can see how unbelievably tight this is. I'll show you from underneath the car, but that's insane. So I think the starter is over here, somewhere in there, but I'm gonna have to try and find it. We're underneath it now. Don't know if you can tell. Here's the belt right here. So there's from the top. I mean, look at my hand. It can't even hardly fit in there. And if you can see how it's snaked, I doubt it, but it goes around this, all around these in a certain pattern, and it was a pain in my ass. So I think the starter, it's leaking a little bit of oil. That's all right, she's old. I think it's over here, but I can't see. There's stuff in my way, right? So I cannot see it, which sucks. So I'm gonna leave you guys under here, go click it a couple times and see what I can hear. Okay, so I'm pretty sure I found it, but it looks impossible to get to. Look at this. It's right up here. Right there. How do I get to that? So there's a chunk of metal right here by my head. I think I might try and take it off, because if I can take this off, oh, it's actually right here. Oh, look at that. Oh my God, it's right here. It is right up in there. I'm gonna get my wrenches and see if I can take this off. We have secured the goods. We got them. Now I gotta find out what size I gotta work with here and try to avoid getting dirt in my eyes. Let's open this cool little tray. It's like a little tray. Look at this. Look at that. Oh, it's a little tray. How cool is that? Let's see. First try. Oh, too small. Too small. God dang it. 18 millimeter. Let's try this. That's the money right there. So this is a special tool I had to buy. It's a pass-through wrench. Look at that. So you put this Johnny on here like this, and you can pass through things, and it's really slim. I mean, look at that. Compared to a normal socket, the thing is puny. I mean, it's average size. Now this has probably never been taken off its entirety. I might need a breaker bar for this, boys. I'm gonna need a breaker bar. Which actually, I have one. I have a bigger wrench. It's in the car. Okay. Back in it. So, okay, how does Chris Fix do this? Chris Fix, I actually, fun fact, I won a giveaway of his. I'll put it up somewhere on the screen. I won a sticker from Chris Fix years and years ago when he was a small channel doing sticker giveaways. I actually won. And I've never put it on anything because I always thought it was kind of cool. But how the hell does Chris Fix do this? So this is the biggest wrench I have available to me right now. It's also one of them swivel head Johnnies. So we're gonna see what size it was. Was it an 18? Let's see. Why do these things require so many attachments? So this guy goes to this guy, right? Look at how many attachments. This guy goes to this guy. Go ahead. Don't be shy. Play nice with each other. Go ahead now. Go ahead, get on there. There we go. So that, I'm not gonna be able to get that off there. That guy goes onto that guy. Then this guy goes to this guy. Wrong side. Wait, what? What kind of end is that? Hello? What's hello? Okay, I was able to get it off the button. Okay, let's see if a 17 fits. What the fuck? Oh my god. There's a huge grasshopper in my engine bay. Dude, I split my thumb open again. There is a huge grasshopper in my engine bay. I thought it was like not a scorpion, but like a praying mantis. Dude, where did he go? If I get a shot of him, he's enormous. Oh my god, 17 fits. All right, let's see if we're able to do this now. All right, boys, here we go. Now this is how you break your knuckles, right? So let's get under here like this. Okay. God bless. Oh my god, that is so stuck. I have chain lube. I know I haven't been to the gym in a couple days, but come on now. Uh-oh. Got it. See if these guys are any easier. Getting my cardio in for the day. Or cardio, my oh, what was that? Did I crack it? Dude, it's not turning an inch. Are you kidding me? Next plan, we're just gonna see if I can even get my hand in there. You can see the whole thing. I can actually even read what it says. You want me to read what it says? Vistion, oh, I gotta hold my head up. Vistion 1112 volt USA 93BBJC DLO 6CY. So, whatever that means. Okay, where's the bolt? Let's see if I can even feel it. Okay, there's one. Where's the other one? Okay, so, ow! Where's the other jump? Oh, he's way up there, isn't he? Holy God. I'm gonna try him again. Okay. Okay, oh, there's a goat head. I'm laying all over these goat heads and it freaking hurts, dude. There we go. Oh, God. I have never put more force into anything in my life, dude. Holy crap. Where's Chris Bumstead when you need him? Or Chris Fix. He'll just take an impact and... Why don't I buy an impact? I should buy an impact. So what usually happens is, it's kind of weird, I don't know why. When I give it power, like extra power, like jump start it, or a power, not bank, but you know, like a jump starter, it'll start. Sometimes, most of the time, it'll start. What does that mean? And why does this bolt have like a 10-cent euro thing on it? This is gonna be a pain in my ass. Well, I'm gonna get a breaker bar. I'm gonna get my tools, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna test the voltage on the battery to see if it's lost any. That is a brand new expensive battery, but you never know. So I'm gonna test the voltage on the battery, get my tools out of here, and we'll see if we can get it started with the help of a jumper. Get out, Mark. Ow. I pinched the fat on my finger. Ow! My belly flopped. Boom, boom. Yep. Battery, I don't know if I can really show you guys, but it's reading, that's decent. So it's a little bit low, I think, but the battery should be good enough to start. So let's add some juice and see if that does anything. Here we go. Nope, nothing. I'll bump it a few times. See what I mean? It started. With extra power, it starts. I don't know what that means. What does that mean? She's running. She's running now. So you're on the tripod still. But I'm gonna go take it for a little lap. Just because, you know, vehicles are meant to be driven. So I'm gonna go on a little lap, but everything works fine on it still. Okay, we're almost off. There we go. Should probably buckle, because I don't have my license on me. Oh, you guys fell. Are you okay? Okay, let's go on a little cruise. Oh! That steering wheel is about 125 degrees. Woo! Brakes are fantastic. Woo! Took that turn a little sharp. I'm just excited to get this thing going again, man, so I can go on long trips and maybe a couple camping trips. for a straight muffler delete, this car, I actually really like the sound of it. There's nothing special on here. There was a cherry bomb on here at one point, but the sizing was wrong, I think. So I don't end up knowing what happened to that. So it's just a muffler delete, and I actually don't hate the sound of it. It's one of those cars that sounds kind of cool, but is unbelievably slow. Unbelievably slow. Okay, we're going like 10 miles an hour. I'll wait for this car to go by. Okay, you ready? Watch this. This is to the floor right now. That was to 40. Believe it or not, this car is actually insanely fun to canyon crawl. Kind of like what I do on the bike, just not as extreme, because it's like a Miata. It kind of sucks it's an automatic. They do make this in a manual, but you know, I bought this. Actually, funny story, a car dealership uploaded this car to the dealership, their dealership YouTube page like 10 years ago. And it was kind of cool to see this car. And I know it was this car because it's got that same dent, same scratch, same hole in the back seat. It is the car. It's so sick to see. I'll probably put the clip in.
2001 Escort. The Escort by Ford Motor Company has been used for several different models over the years. All Escorts are generally compact in size, with a hatchback, but can come with either 2 or 4 doors.
Came into the car since you just saw the video. As you can tell, the window tint was fucked up and it's still fucked up. I actually ripped it off, that's why it's worse. But if you look in the video, the window tint's fucked up and the back seat has actually been replaced. You can tell because that's black and this is tan. They either came with black or tan interior. So somebody replaced this back seat. I didn't do it, but the original ones had this tan interior, so that back seat would have been the same. And if you look, the hole that was in the driver's seat is right there. So those are just a couple ways you can tell, and obviously it was a Colorado dealership and that's where this car came from. But yeah, it is the exact same car. So when I get fresh rubber on this girl, I would like to take it like kind of canyon crawling. I think it could be kind of fun. Like, it'd be really cool since it's such a small and nimble car. Now the part I don't like, putting it back on the ramps. Here we go, let's see if we can do it. And then sometimes that will happen where it starts every single time in a row. I don't understand this car. I don't understand it. I do not understand it. And per usual, I forgot to film an outro. So here we go. Just finished editing. I hope you enjoyed this one. There's going to be more content on this because I haven't even ordered the starter yet, nor have I gotten that bottom bar off. So when I go to work on it again, I'm definitely going to film it. And soon, today, I am ordering the starter for my motorcycle. It's going to take a little while to get here, obviously, because it's kind of hard to find parts for that bike, so it will take a minute to get here, but as soon as I do, that video will be happening. So I actually really enjoyed editing this video. I thought it came out really good. So, yeah, as always, if you enjoyed, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment, share with a friend, and I'll see you in the next one. Later! Bonus clip, if you stick around for those bonus clips. Last night, we had a crazy electrical storm. I mean, lightning every like 0.5 seconds. And I filmed some of it. So I've got a few clips from that lightning storm. So enjoy those. Yeah, come look at the street over here.